my home,
your home.
our home. I was born beside a different river. You were born beneath another sky. Different flags are flying above us, but the same sun shines in our eyes.
From Harare to Johannesburg,